Hi and welcome again to Excel's Master Course. In the previous session we have talked about the logical function. In this session we will continue it. Are you ready? Don't forget our goal, guys. Reaching 2,000 subscribers before ending of September. YouTube statistics says that more than 70% of people watch our videos are not subscribers. Please guys appreciate our efforts and subscribe to the channel. In this session we gonna talk about these logical functions. Ifs. Count. COUNTIF. SUMIF. Now what if I want use the function if with more than one condition? Then you will use function called ifs. It has the same function of if but with multiple conditions. The structure of ifs function contain the first condition. And what do you want if it is true? And second condition. And what do you want if it is true? And you can add unlimited conditions and what do you want if they are true for every single condition. Hint. In the latest version of Excel, ifs function are not available in the normal software in Excel. It is available in Microsoft 365. Microsoft Excel 365. It is an online Excel tool provided by Microsoft and it has amazing features like connecting Python and Excel together, which we gonna talk about in upcoming course. You may will need to purchase an access to use Excel 365. But first make sure maybe you are enrolled in faculty, college or organization. And have Microsoft Mail. And if not, you are not needed so much. Let's try how ifs function working in Excel. Let's imagine I want to classify these hours sales. If it is greater than 15 it's good and if not it is not good. So equal ifs. Open parenthesis. The first condition A2 greater than 15. And the result is it's good hour. And the second condition is A2 less than 15. And the result is it is not good hour. Now let's use the autofill for the others. Now let's talk about count function. Counts the number of cells that contain numbers. And counts numbers within the list of arguments. Or by other word, it counts the cell which have values in specific range. Let's see now how it works in Excel. Let's type random values in random cells. So the cells have values are only 8. Let's prove it by count. So equal count. Open parenthesis. Specify the range of it. It's true, it is 8. I hope that you understand how it works. But what if I want to count values that only meet a condition that I want? So you gonna use function called COUNTIF. It counts the number of cells within a range based on predefined criteria. Let's see now how it works in Excel. Let's use COUNTIF to count the values which are greater than 4. So equal COUNTIF. Open parenthesis. Specify the wanted range. Then comma and specify the criteria which is greater than 4. But don't forget to put it in double quotes. But what if that I have more than one condition? Then you will use a function called COUNTIFS. It counts the number of cells that meet a single criterion or multiple criteria in the same or different ranges. Let's see now how it works in Excel. For example, if I want to count the values which are greater than 4 and less than 15 in this data set. So equal COUNTIFS. Open parenthesis. Specify the first range. Then comma. The first criteria which is greater than 4. But don't forget the double quotes. Then comma. Specify the second range. Then the second criteria which is less than 15. And also don't forget the double quotes. Now let's talk about function called SUMIF. Calculates the sum of values in a range based on a true or false condition. Let's see now how it works in Excel. Let's sum all the values that greater than 4. So equal SUMIF. Open parenthesis. Then specify the range. The criteria greater than 4. And also don't forget the double quotes. But what if I have more than one criteria? Then I will use function called SUMIFS. It calculates the sum of a range based on one or more true or false condition. Let's see now how it works in Excel. Let's sum the values which are greater than 4 and less than 15. So equal SUMIFS. Open parenthesis. Specify the range of values that you want to sum. Then specify the first range that you want to apply the condition to it. Now first condition which is greater than 4 and don't forget the double quotes. Then the second range that you want to apply the second criteria to it. Then the second criteria to the second range which is less than 15. In this session we have completed the topic of logical functions and you have learned what do you have to learn in this topic as a data analyst. Thank you for pay attention. Don't forget to subscribe and apply notification and like the video. See you in the next session.